Okay, friends, we will be discussing this kind of question. How we can increase the number of ports in your router using switch device. Okay? So how can we increase the number of ports in your router using switch device? Um, I'll show you how does it look like. This is how switch looks like. This is the switch. Yeah, and you see the ports. I bought it for $30, and this is my router, and this is the internet ports. I will show this again later. Okay, so let's go, and we will discuss it in theory. Okay, for example, this is your router, and this is your power cord power, and this is your internet ports. Say you have 3 internet ports, 1, 2, 3. This is where you connect your device to access internet. Now we need the switch. So this is the switch looks like. So as I show you the picture, switch has many ports available, and switch has power cable too. So this is power. Now using Ethernet cable, did you see how Ethernet cable looks like? This is your Ethernet cable. See? Ethernet cable. Did you see this? Yeah. That's your Ethernet cable. So, so the switch has to be connected to router through the ports using the Ethernet cables. So you have to choose which port you're going to use to connect to router. Say I choose this one, so I connect this to this port. So this is your Ethernet cable. So you have the power, and your router is connected to provider, to your provider, to your internet provider. When there's no problem at all, you can use now this port to connect another device. So in this case, in this diagram, you have now increased the number of ports of your router to 5 more ports. This can be your PC, or another PC, another PC, another PC, or any device you want to connect to internet. See? You see there? You see the diagram clearly? Yeah, very simple. Now this is how I did it in practice. This is in practice. I'll show you. Okay. I'll show you first. This is my internet cable. As I told you, this is my router. And no, this is my switch. And this is my router. Do you see the yellow cable? You see the yellow cable? The yellow cable is the one I use to connect my switch to my router. You see the yellow cable connected to my switch, and I have 2 devices connected there, the blue one and the white one, and I have still 3 more ports available. Again, the yellow one is the one I use to connect my switch to my router. You see the yellow? See the yellow cable? Connected to my router, the yellow cable. So if there is no problem at all, in this case, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more ports available. Okay? Clear? Switch connected to my router using the yellow cable. You see the yellow cable where it poles to my router, and where it poles to my switch, and where it poles to my router. Switch, router. Switch, router, and Ethernet cable. Thank you. And my guitar is signing off.